Well, here's some important information for after you suffer from a loss. Receipts, receipts, receipts. Hey, this is Mandy with My Insurance Claim Expert here to answer all your insurance-related questions. So, there's a lot going on after a hurricane, and unfortunately many times receipts get lost, etc. Now understand your insurance company has a lot of things they have to reimburse you for, but if you don't have the receipts to prove it, invariably things fall through the cracks and you don't get reimbursed for them. So here's what I want to tell you. Any receipt you have, create a new Google Drive folder as well as a spreadsheet. Anytime you have a receipt, take a photo of that receipt, upload it to the Google Drive, and put a line item. This is the date. This is the place I spent it out. This is how much I spent and what it was for. And like this, you'll have all the information in one place. This also goes as far as repairs to your house. You hire a roofer to tarp the roof, get that invoice, put it in there, or that contract you signed, put it in there. You hire somebody to replace three windows, put that in there. Just document it all. That'll make your job easier. It'll force the insurance company to pay your claim properly. And if you hire a public adjuster or attorney, it's going to make their ability to recover payment properly for you in the manner you deserve. Hope this information has been useful. As always, please share, like, comment, tell your friends about us, and email any questions to questions@pantherpa.com. Thank you. Have a great day.